The Fitness Gram Pacer test is a
I try not to watch things that are edited, that I didn't edit, that have me in them.
Yeah.
You know?
So you don't like to watch stuff that other people edit?
Of me, I will.
'Cause
Like,
they
if it's one
don't
of our
do-
productions, I have part of the editorial process.
Yeah.
But if I do an interview or a podcast with somebody else, I tend not to go back and listen to it because I don't like when other people edit me.
That's understandable.
I know how much editing can change what you say, and so I just tend just not to do it.
Walking fast, faces pass.
I am the one who doesn't need respect.
Don't you bring me down.
But they thought to provide a little flute so you can really become a snake charmer. I can't play the flute myself, so I'm going to make an awful noise, but I'll make some sort of noise. That's all you need to make is just a noise. Here we go.
The first thing you should do in the woods or in the wild if you see a bear is to make a tremendous amount of noise. Hey, bear!
Good, it's coming on pretty well.
Somebody once told me the word.
For the past couple of weeks, you guys have been begging for Angry Grandpa to play this.
What's that?
The Nintendo Switch.
Switch what?
It's just called the Nintendo Switch.
What does it switch with?
With other people. Look, this is the Nintendo Switch. Angry Grandpa's playing Breath of the Wild.
Breath of what?
Breath of the Wild.
Wild what?
What? Look, guys.
At least make sense to me when you're talking to me.
He's playing Zelda.
Zelda?
Man. This right here moves you around.
Yeah.
Okay, you're crouching. I don't know how you did that. I don't know how to get it off. What are you doing?
I don't know!
Okay, Google. Play my Warrior playlist.
Okay.
This mailbox is mine, and this triagonal sign. That blue balloon, the month of June, they're mine, mine.
Йоги-ноги на угли, зимой на ноги. Уги, мы танцуем буги-вуги под ай-люли-люли.
Looks nice. What all we got? Why don't we go rifle through some stuff?
Well, yeah, everybody always wants to know what's inside of the fridge. What's in the fridge? Let's look inside the fridge.
There we go. We're back to honey again. Who's directing this? That guy. Figures.
The following are screenshots of posts on social media taken from the front page of the subreddit Old People Facebook. Enjoy. A young man at Cedar Elm Station Post Office approached me and asked if I want cold bottled water. And I said yes, since he said it is $1. My families and friends know I prefer Ozarka Spring bottled water. I buy Ozarka Spring bottled water for $4.98 for 40 bottles at Sam's Club since it's a lot cheaper. But for a cold bottled water, 16.9 fluid ounces, and it is Nestle Pure Life Purified Water for a $1, I will drink it. Hello, Erica. I've been thinking about you, and when I came over, you made potato soup for me. It was so delicious. I need the recipe, please. I'm in the middle of peeling now. Sorry for the last minute notice. Ian. I was out frying and it's very icy. I slip. Be careful. The following tweets are from two-time World Series champion and former Yankee, Ricky Leday. How to put phone on silent, google.com. Congratulations to Cole Hamels on no-hitting the Cuba. Can you delete a tweet? Did not mean to post a pic of a trash can last night. That was meant to be an email. Oh. If the Mets win this game, I will scream. 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 Cam Newton plays football like he has fun. I hope he wins. I don't know how to dab.
$3